In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow in Adobe Express. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Adobe Express and already log in with your credentials. So now in here, navigate the get started and then create a file in here, so you can choose a square different sizes or different templates you want to create it. So I'm just going to choose this landscape and wait for it to load up. So now in here, you can add any templates in here from the left navigation bar. So in here, I want to add a text. So let's say we're going to add text. You just simply click the add text and then it will automatically show the add text. So edit it and then I set it as Calcifer and then position it to different position you want to position it and then resize it. So I'm going to resize it. So in here you will see some effects. So this is the shadow. So if you want to put it, just simply click on that and you will see here the different effects for the shadowing of an object or text here in Adobe Express. And that's it. So you can adjust it and customize to your preference. And that's how you add shadows in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.